So today we got a new lingerie right here, and as you can see, it is red black lace lingerie that is so very affordable from online store. This lingerie, Kuradangerz, is purely lace. It has a ribbon and a pendant in front. As you can see, very nice pendant, a lucky charm of our lingerie for today. And look at that, so very lacy, very good quality lace, and of course the very tiny salupuerta. Look at that, very nice thong design mga kadangs. So this is the back detail of our panty lingerie. As you can see, it is a thong design panty. So very sexy at the back mga kadangs. So very tiny, and of course it is lace. In addition to our lingerie, I got right here a coordinate red black bra mga kadangs. As you can see, it is a satin material bra, and it has a black embroidery in the boob area, and of course the ribbon in the middle. Very nice, and yes, classy, super classy design brassiere mga kadangs. I really love it, and of course the cut, so very sexy, and it is so very perfect to pair with our panty lingerie today mga kadangs. Do you agree that? Look at that. Oh, diva, very coordinate. Sakto ba? Coordinate. Oh yeah, very perfect pair. Red black lingeries mga kadangs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.